Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the Corporate Ready Maintenance, where we prepare you not just to get a job, but to thrive it in. I'm Arjun. Today, I'm going to show you how this course will transform you into corporate ready professional with the skill that employees are actively looking. So, let me tell something about me. So basically, I'm PMP CSM and Safe CSPO certified professional. Over 9 years of experience in managing large scale IT projects across banking, fintech, e-commerce, telecom, and digital transformation domain. I have led over 100 plus developer, testers, project managers, and have delivered complex projects for the MNCs. My expertise is not just the theory. I have been in trench solving the real business problems and delivering the results. I have handled more than 100 plus Scrum teams, and m- my right now I'm currently working as a vice president. So I take care of the architectural solutions as well as the resource planning and the entire Scrum team. Why this course is different? See, there are many courses right now. If you go in the market, there are a number of courses for being a Scrum Master, project manager, business analyst, product owner. But what makes us different? So we just don't teach you the concept. We train you to think, speak, and act like 5 years experience profession from the day one. So we will be going through the real case studies of the corporate level. We will be taking care of the tools, corporate tools, mock interviews. Everything here is designed for the goal of making you job ready. The only one goal which we have is just to make you job ready and make you market fit. Yes, anyone has any question? Okay. I'll take the silence as no, I'll move it ahead. So what you will learn. So by the end of the course, you will be master with Agile and Scrum frameworks, uh, project managers, methodology, project manager best practices, business analyst and road or product ownership. You will be mastered in tools like Jira, Confluence, Excel, MS Projects. You will be doing the stakeholder management, reporting, and the governance skills, and also you will be well prepared for the interviews and communication excellence. Why you have to choose me as a mentor? Like, why should you learn from me? Like, because I have been where you are, and I know the exact roadmap to get into the corporate world. I have led around 100 plus team members into multiple complex projects. I have managed multi-billion dollars IT projects. I have the domain expertise where I have worked in e-commerce, banking, fintech, healthcare domain. And last year, around 50 students were got placed in big multinational organizations. Even the freshers did this. We will be going through the real projects inside, which you really won't find in the books or anywhere online. And you will be working. Like, I have been working with top four MNCs. So my experience and expertise, what the actual employer looks for the employers, and what are the key things and scenarios you guys need to learn. So we will be going through all of this. So if you take this class, like, not just the class, what all you get. So basically, 1 month you'll get an intensive training on the Agile, Scrum, project manager, how the things are. Uh, Corporate readiness coaching, where will be like how you will be working in the organization, what are the dress codes, how the workload management has been done, where we'll be going through the real life scenarios, challenges, what the scrum master and manager feels, as well as the business analyst and product owner. The real life experience and the challenges, and how the communication and the culture of the company would be, and how you could be a good fit for that. With that, you'll be getting 2 months of job assistance, where I personally will be uh, where I personally will be guiding you achieve your jobs. 1 year of the job postings. The job postings will be a network job postings where you'll be getting referrals from the global. Like I have the connections, I have the students in the global market where they are working in USA, UK, Canada, Germany, where you'll be getting the reference postings every 2 days of a week. I will be personally taking two mock interviews. I'll make you prepare through the interviews. I'll be taking your interviews. I will be guiding you where you are wrong and what all things you need to change in your interview. And this role, once you did this course within a 1 month, you will sound like a 5 years experience IT professional. So you can go directly and apply around 3 to 5 years of experience job and you can actually crack the interviews. So who can take the course? Whether you are from IT or not or non-IT. If you want to build a career in IT world, this course is for you. Freshers, career changers, people stuck in low paying jobs who wants to work in IT organizations can actually look into for this course. And also the professionals who are looking to target the global or the remote jobs, or anyone who want a career change and can actually look for this job. So what are the expected salary of being a scrum master or project manager, be a product owner with a 5 year of experience? So internationally, if you can go, the basic minimum salary what they offer is 60 to 80K per year. Last year, one of my students has cracked it, and it was 1.26 lakhs US dollar per annum. And if you are in India or somewhere in Asia, you can target around 15 to 30 lakhs per annum. Again, this is an average. This varies from person to person and company to company. But yeah, this is what the average looks like for you. So, talent pool membership. Once you log in the class, you will be having an alumni network, private job referrals, networking opportunity, access to the hidden jobs market, and one-on-one mock interviews. This all things you will be getting it once you sign up the course. So, what is the corporate readiness program? Like the class will not just be a theory. We will cover all the theory, but also I have to make you prepare for the corporates. Just doing the course won't make you help go through the jobs. So certification you can do it through anywhere. That is not the worry. That just a 1 or 2 day job for every mentor to take you through the theory. But what actually comes in the picture is this, where I will be taking care of mastering your soft skill. I'll be taking care of the real-time program simulation, how the stakeholders communication training as how you need to talk with the stakeholders. These all things will we have to take care. Uh, Also, we'll be going to the conflict resolution, being on this position of project manager, scrum master, PO, business analyst. You are already on the managerial post. You will be people working under you, and you have to get the skills master of conflict resolution, where a number of people will be working under you, and you have to figure out a way to stop this conflict. There are people which happens when someone say this can be done and others say no, this cannot be done, and you have to take a one way and ideal way where both has to agree. So also we will be going through the job role. What's your job role? Actual day-to-day life looks like being a scrum master or project manager. How the work ethics needs to be done. Also, we will be taking the live ceremonies where the job, if you being a scrum master of 5 years of experience, there are multiple ceremonies you have to perform in the organizations. So we will be taking the live ceremonies. Each students have to present the ceremonies in front of all of us and be confident, grow your confidence in this. And if there are any mistakes, we could fix those things and you can be actually ready for it. So also there will be live feedback session and the reporting sessions where I will be giving you one-on-one feedbacks, what all things you need to be done, And also we will be doing some reports where this role presents a report to the management level. You know how to make these reports, and I'll be taking you through this. And we will also be doing the submission of these reports and the projects. We will be working together. We all will be actually having one project, and we'll be looking out of it how this will look like. Okay, the job assistant. So basically, let's talk how the job assistants will work. 2 months of active job search support, where I'll be helping you to find out how your ideal job should look like, what all things you can apply for, what all things you can look in the job descriptions, what all, how the, like, what all uh, frameworks of the agile you can actually follow and go and apply it into. Not just agile has multiple framework which are kanban, scrum, safe. You can, how we can go through it. 1 year of job posting, so basically we'll create one group and you'll be getting every 2 days a week there will be a job posting. Minimum it would be 10 jobs, sorry. The minimum it will be 10 jobs, but you'll be getting this job postings. Also, once you join the once you join the course, you will be an alumni network where the network referrals. Many of my students are looking up for the students where I've trained them personally, and they want people who can actually work as a scrum master with 5 years of experience, rather their previous experiences anything different. They hardly care about their previous experience, but they should have the experience. They know how to use the tools. They know how to manage the things. The network referrals will help you. These even I have worked with a severe big companies. I know the HR. I know the managers. They also look for the people. So yeah, company referrals, and you will be getting 2 mock interviews on face to face, where we'll be singly. I'll be singly sitting with the people and taking the interview. And with this, so these 2 mock interviews will finish it in one first month. This course won't be extended for like after 30 days. We will keep when we say that we'll make you ready fit, we will make you ready fit within 30 days. So you'll be we will be going to the real corporate interviews. We'll be going to the feedback and improvement plan, also what all things you have to take care of. So tool you will master are these tools. Basically, you'll go through the Jira, Confluence, MS Project, Excel, PM dashboard, Figma, Basic. These are the commonly used tools in the corporate where you have to use it on the day-to-day basis. So you will be mastering these tools, all of these tools. So how this course structure look like? So there are basically 2 courses. One is from Master and Project Manager. Second one is Business Analyst and Product Owner. So first week of the Scrum Master and Project Manager course. So first week we'll be covering Agile and Scrum Mastery. Second week we will be going through PMP Essentials. Third week we will be having a live ceremony job act where a person need to act as a Scrum Master, where he'll be working in the corporate. The third week will be the completely you have to play the role of this. And the fourth week will be the corporate fit interviews. So do for the business analyst, first week will be the BA skills, second week will be the PO skills, third week will be the presentation and the job app, and fourth week will be corporate fit and the interviews. So why we want you to take this course? So if you anyone who is right now sitting, who anyone wants to just open your LinkedIn or any other job portal and just search the Scrum Master in the job section, you'll get to know how many listed jobs are being posted on the day-to-day basis. There are around 10 to 15,000 jobs right now vacant, and companies are looking for the master champion, Scrum Masters, business analysts, project managers, and they are having humongous of shortage. And trust me when I say this, global demands for agile and PM role is increasing day to day basis. Even if we have the AI right now, AI cannot understand the people. AI cannot fulfill this role. So this role is so important right now in the organization. They are actively looking for the people. So companies hiring job readiness ready candidates. International opportunities are booming. Shortage of IT professionals globally. High paying jobs. This is a completely high paying job. And if you are a non-IT person, you don't have any idea about IT, how this IT industry work. Without doing any coding, you will be getting hired in IT industry. Huge opportunity to work with tech giants like Google, Microsoft, Facebook, TCS, Amazon, and not just a techie companies in IT, but if you choose other domain like a banking domain or a healthcare or e-commerce domain, this domain have IT people inside their companies. So they also need a Scrum Master to take care of. So not just in IT, but if you want to have complete diversification changes, this course will help you a lot. So let me tell you my success story. Last year, 50 plus students we got placed in multinational companies. Freshers who have no experience have been working in India right now, and their packages are between 15 to 20 lakhs per annum. Non-IT professionals are moving into IT. Students are now working. Global students, I help them to work in USA, UK, Singapore, Canada. And as I previously said, the highest package achieved was 1.2 lakh USD. He was just having 3 years of experience, and this was the greatest achievement till now what I have been got to. And I strongly believe this number will increase. 1.2 is still, I feel so, is a less package, but yeah, this number will increase. This number will increase. So thank you. Your dream to IT career start here. Let's make this happen. If anyone has any question, please do let me know. Question session will start now. Anyone? Yes,
Hi, Mr.
Nish,
Arjun.
you have.
Hi,
Yeah,
Mr.
hi.
Arjun. My name is Nishat, and I had a question regarding I want to move into Scrum Master field. And you said per
Mhm.
day, yeah, there are job postings, 10 job postings at least. But realistically, like per month, or like how many jobs come up for Scrum Master? And I'm in
Okay.
US, so
Okay.
I would be like to hire it in US, of course, not internationally. So
Mhm.
what do you
Mhm.
see for a Scrum Master? What future do you see, and what kind of job postings do you see in a month? Like
Okay.
average?
So, okay. So multiple question in one question. So let's
Yes.
start with tackling this. Okay. So, let me tell you, job posting will be 2 days a week. So we'll consider Wednesday and Friday. Every Wednesday of the week and the Friday of the week, you will be getting the job postings. Now you are based in USA. There are humongous of jobs in USA, UK, Canada. I'm just not just telling the other countries, because if the people are from the other countries, it might help them to understand also. So you will be getting humongous of the jobs, and where the jobs where I'll be posting, where I'll be writing the country name on the top. So if you are in USA, you target on the US based job posting first. Second, what you see as a Scrum Master future, huge future. Trust me, huge future. It is just in IT right now. Government have started using Agile in the government services also to fast track the delivery. So wherever the market of delivery comes, Scrum Master Agile is very, very, very important. Now you will say people are doing the certification and they are still not able to find the jobs, and many more reasons. The main big reason is theory won't make you go and work as a corporate field Scrum Master. If you actually know what the Scrum Master role is there in the corporate office, that's what my role and picture comes into play. So I am a vice president delivery head. I hire Scrum Master. I got hired as a Scrum Master. I worked as a project manager. Now I'm a VP. And trust me when I say this, people, we have among us of opening, even in my current company, in my current organization, we have three Scrum Master opening, and we are still hard to find the real person Scrum Master where they have the corporate knowledge, how to do the stake management, how you do the communication. So yeah, Trust me, the future is really bright being a Scrum Master, and you just focus not on only on Scrum Master, but you have to focus on the corporate fit because corporate has their own culture, own values. You have to be a right candidate to this, and I hope I would have given you the right. I would have given you satisfaction answers. Yes, Mehra, you have raised your hand.
Thank you.
Yeah. Hi, this is Mehri here. So I have a couple of questions. When you were showing the tool slide, um, are we going to use those tools, and how are you also going to teach us how AI can be used in these roles? If so, like what kind of AI tools will you be guiding us in these sessions?
Yeah. So tools, what you went through, Jira, Confluence, these tools are used on the day-to-day basis. Yes, definitely, I'll make you teach how to use these tools. You will be mastering those tools, how you can generate reports, how you can see the workload of your team members through these tools. These tools are used by all the corporates currently on the scenarios. Tools, these tools are very trending right now, and definitely we will be going through the AI. I'll be telling you how you can use. I'll be giving you some prompts where you can use those prompts and get an actual answer, and you can it can help you to use those tools much more faster and easier. Yeah, definitely we'll be going through. So but trust me, for Scrum Master, these tools are required for the project overview. You don't have to actually go into the tool and work it. You have to manage the tool. So your job role is people are doing this a lot. You have to go through this. So yeah, definitely you will be mastering those tools. You will be taking through the AI. We will be taking some AI tools also, and that could help you to
Okay.
build your career more faster.
As AI is growing fast now, among these roles, will there be any ups and downs in these roles too?
No, big, reason behind it, manage. So, okay, let me tell you what the Scrum Master role is. Scrum Master is the person who manages the team. He is an advocate for the developers. He's an advocate of QA team members. He is an advocate for the DevOps team member, and he completely manages those people. And when I say about management, trust me, no one in this world can do better management than you. Even if the AI agents are too powerful, too intelligent, management cannot be done. See, there are a number of pressures. Like stakeholders say, I need this within this time. Product team say, I need this within this time. You, being a scrum master, you come in the middle and you say clear no, that this cannot be done. You have to be a top of the management. Within the given time framework, you have to fulfill those needs, definitely. But will you be able to or not? Is the question you have to sit with your team and understand. Trust me, AI cannot take this job. Reason behind it, you have to manage so many people. You have to manage organization. You have to manage the delivery processes. So AI is not that. See, where you can use the AI, you can use the AI to write the stories. What are the stories? A given framework where what needs to be look like. These all things, detailed things you can use it, but managing people, conflict resolution, stakeholder management, communication, reporting. Trust me, AI cannot do it. Even if you go on the chat GPT right now and just say, create a WSR for me, which is a weekly status report, he will be giving you immense of the things which client don't want to see, the management don't want to see. There are multiple bullet points, 3, 4 points they need to go through. So trust me, AI won't hamper your jobs. When I say this, I
Okay.
have 9 years of experience and I'm still working right now, and I don't see any agent who will be. Just imagine you join the stand up. So basically, there is one ceremony of stand up where, like everyone right now today, we are how we are sitting. We this all is one team. Consider this, and AI comes into the picture and AI talks to you. There will be no human interaction. There will be no unit of feeling where people needs to work. So these things won't happen. Yes,
Okay.
Amira, and I
So
hope
when we
Mara, yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
So when we say business analyst and product owner, will they
Mhm.
be also using the same tool as the Scrum Master,
Yeah,
or will they be using a
yes,
different?
no,
Because
yes,
Scrum
yes,
Master
yes.
is
They will
tool
be using.
management. But yeah.
Yes. So in Scrum team, there is Scrum Master, there is Product Owner, there is developers, there are QA, and there are DevOps team member. This is the whole Scrum team look like. This is the complete Scrum team. So product owner will create a ticket on Jira. Scrum Master will take the ticket, move it to the developers. Developers will start working. Then Scrum Master will ensure that tickets will move to the QA. Then QA will do the testing. Then the Scrum Master will take this ticket to the management. He will be taking the reviews, the demo from the management, and once they approve, then this ticket will be going to a DevOps team member for their deployment. And once it is deployed, the tickets need to be closed. So this is the whole scenario of the tool. They have the roles and responsibilities who needs to take care of. So that's how the tools will be used. And every uh, person. So even if you're not into business analyst, not even product owner, not even scrum master, not even project manager, you are a developer, you have to use this tool. If you are a tester, you have to use this tool. So this tool is basically a communication tool and also a reporting tool. So you know what are the current status of this ticket, where we are, and why it is stuck, is it blocked? Everything is in there. So we will be going through this tool. Okay. Uh, Emma, do you have any question?
Yes, hello, Mr. Arjun.
Yeah. Hi.
My question is, will your company also be doing live marketing side by side, as in how we score for job postings on these various job portals? Would you also be marketing our resume actively?
Mr. Arjun, I'll take this
Mm,
question. So Mr.
yeah.
Arjun is overseas in India, and locally we are available here from Knoll Next Solutions. We will try to market your profile, but we do not want to promise keeping in mind the current job market. But we are really good at marketing as well. We will definitely market your profile.
Okay, thank
Yes.
you, Sophia.
Yes. Yes, Nish.
Yeah, my next question is the future of Scrum Master. Like, what is the growth? Like, once you become a Scrum Master, where else do they go from there? Or is it just like, that's it? Like, can you get into a different role and can you make a better salary after that once you get that experience, once you start working in that field?
First, there are hierarchy. So there are assistants or the junior scrum master. Then it comes to the scrum master. Then it comes to senior scrum master. Then it gets promoted to the project manager. Then it gets promoted to the senior project manager. Then it gets promoted to vice president delivery head. And then it gets promoted to the director of delivery head. Being into salary, trust me when I say 5 years of experience, if you are in USA, $80,000 per year is the basic average you will get being a Scrum Master. So hierarchy is big. You can actually, so basically company has the four pillars. One is product, one is service, one is development. And when you combine all this product, you need a person who can take care of the delivery, who can make this work happen. So the fourth pillar is the Scrum pillar, which comes and you will be working it. If you are a Scrum Master, you will be working it under project manager or a delivery head, vice president. And this is how the hierarchy looks like. And definitely, once you start growing, if you have a project manager with 5 years of experience, 1 lakh 10,000 US dollars is a basic salary. So yeah, definitely, this is a growing path. Yes,
So once
Kanza.
this, yeah, my name is Shbana, and I just
Hmm.
wanted to check once this Scrum Master training and the PMP training is done. I do know that there is certification required for that, right?
Mhm.
So you'll be writing, we'll be after the course, we'll be writing those exams to get the certification.
Okay. So certification, if you go through the certification, right, on the CSM platform. of the Scrum alliances. So, see, to be very honest, Scrum Masters doesn't need certification. Let's be very honest. There are job descriptions written that CSM is required, PFP is required, SAFE is required. I get it. But if you take the course, right? So in 200 US dollars, they will just provide you the theory knowledge, and the theory knowledge is not at all uh, accepted in corporate. So if you say with this course you'll get certification, you'll get a certification of completion, but you won't be getting CSM certification because it has its own cost, and that cost has to be paid. That cost has to be paid to the Scrum Alliances. So if you want to do the examination after the course, you can go to the Scrum Alliance website. You can log in and you can pay their services and take the certification. But my suggestion would be don't go for certification. People see in the interview they'll ask you, do you have certification? You can at least say no, I'm going through the certification. My previous, so basically it has a validity. You can tell them my previous certificate has been invalid. Right now it's been expired. I'll be taking the new certificate once I'll get the job. But you will sound like a scrum master. You know what the scrum master looks like, and they will be least interested in asking for you for the certification. They will be more interested to have the conversation about your day-to-day basis and challenges what you have been faced. And that's what our course come into the picture, and our course provide you those things to avoid the certification. Certification won't help you to get the job, but definitely this course will help you to get the job, because we will be taking all the aspects of the corporate, what all things are required. So I hope, Sabana, this might have answered your question.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you. So, yeah, I just wanted to understand that are we
Yes.
required to do the certification? So you're going to train us like without the certification, you're going to train us to have that 5 years of experience, and so that
Ye-
we'll be able to talk like a 5 years experienced person,
Yes,
correct?
Sabana. And see, yes, Sabana, once you are fresher, people will come and ask you for the certification. But if you're having 5 years of experience, where your CV will look like you are an experienced candidate, where
Mm-hmm.
people are least interested to ask you about the certification. People or
Okay.
the hiring manager is more interested to understand about your job role and profile, and that's what our picture comes into. Yes, Sophia, you have the any answers on this?
Plus,
Okay, that's good to know.
plus, Shabana, we are going to give you certificate of completion from Novel Next Solutions. And if you are still reluctant to write the certification, there will be additional charges. We can discuss later over the phone. Unless it has like expiry, some expiry date is there, right, Mr. Arjun? Expiry. Uh, So these are two different routes. One, Scrum Master will be a project manager, business analyst can be a product owner. So these are two different routes. It's up to you to decide which route, or but it's like, you can decide if you want to pursue both the trainings, you can still go ahead and do it. But I would prefer you decide which route you want to choose.
Working into Scrum ceremonies if I don't, if I'm not wrong.
Yes, that's all.
Yes, so definitely it would be really easy for you to transit.
Because like what happened for me was like last year I got laid off. Then I had like a 5 months of break in between. Then again I got a 6 months contract as a quality analyst. Now from past 4 months I'm searching again in quality analyst. So I'm not getting any opportunities. That's why I decided to explore other things around. So how is this market right now? Hello, hello.
Mr. Arjun, you there? Oh yeah, he joined again. Hello.
Yeah, I'm really sorry.
Hello.
Network got
Yeah,
disconnected.
no
Just give me
problem.
a second, guys. Let me connect. Just give me a second. Yes, now you can.
Yeah, so I was like, I mean, you said like we could use 5 years of experience as a Scrum Master. So in my scenario, how it would be if I decided to do Scrum Master process?
So you will be okay. So in your scenario, you have experience of 2 years, right?
Yes,
Okay. You have real experience of 2 years, but you will be sounding like an 5 years experience. You know how the
yes.
crooks are. You know how the what the challenges are. See, just an experience of having 5 years of experience, but you don't have the knowledge. That thing would work. But if you have 2 3 years of experience, but if you can actually know what are the hurdles are there, what are the challenges are there, and you have the right solution to cut off those challenges. Those sound like a 5 years experience person. Those are the key points to claim that okay, I know I don't have that experience, but yeah, the solution what I bring on the table makes me makes me work as a 5 years experience guy. So these things will help you to achieve your job. So just not on the paperwork basis, but yeah, your knowledge and your training will help you this do this, and you can sound actually like a 5 year person. People, you can actually go and apply on the jobs, and once you once you will be in the interview, the interview will know that yeah, your experience is less, but your knowledge is far more enough to fulfill this job. This will be the
Okay.
key thing.
Um, mhm.
Yeah. This
Another
will be
question that was like, I always believe, I mean, like, if a Scrum Master is a project manager, communication is most important, right? So
very
sometimes, yeah. So for a non-speaking background, or like, how does it work? Like, if your communications is bad or something.
you don't have to worry on that. I'll be taking care of you. How you have to be a confident person enough.
Hmm.
Looks like we
I
lost him
think
again.
you got disconnected.
Yeah,
Yeah.
let's wait a couple of minutes.
I'm really sorry. I don't know what the network is, but yeah, okay. So communication, you don't have to worry. The course will help you to understand your role, responsibility, and how you have to communicate. And even the AI tools, what I'll be taking you through, which will help you to understand how you communicate, how the communication needs to be done, and what all things are required. So you will be on the top of it. So communication won't hamper your things, nor even the confidence. You will be boosted with the confidence. You
Oh,
will be having that self belief inside you, where you will be after the course, you'll be like, yes, I know what the role is and how the profile needs to be. So you'll be so confident enough.
okay. Hmm. One more thing that I mean, as I've been talking to you, I'm coming up with questions. So,
Mhm.
I joined little later for this session, so I missed the intro session for this. So, this
Uh,
is specifically for Scrum Master or BA. Can you elaborate on
okay.
that?
So there are two courses. One course is Scrum Master and Project Manager. Second course is BA and Product Owner. So you have to choose the one career path. You have to be a Scrum Master, or you have to be a functional person and working in the BA and thinking to build the product, or you have to be a project manager and you have to manage the team and the organization and deliver the project within the given time frame. These are the two courses we have.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, hi,
You have any question?
Sanjay again. So
Yeah,
one
ma'am.
question
Yes.
that I had is like I'm more inclined towards BA and product owner. I heard like you all discussed about CSM, PSM, Chief Agile for the Scrum Master. But what kind of certification are there for business analyst or product owner?
Okay. For business analyst product owner, there is certification called CSP, Certified Scrum Product Owner. But again, this certification has a same cost with the Scrum Alliances. But we will be, if here, if you ask, we won't be providing you the Scrum Alliances certification. We will be providing you the completion of the course certification. But in this course, we will be taking you through all the role responsibilities of a BA product owner and how the day to day of the BA and product owners look like in the corporate sector, and what are your job roles profile, and what all things you have to do to be a right fit candidate in this job.
Okay. So no, at the end of the course, will I be able to take the CS PO certification?
Yeah, definitely. You have to pay that price with the CSPO. So Sophia will help you with the pricing, and you can take the course and you can actually take the certification of that. But only taking the certification won't help you. This, uh, what we say, course will help you to take you through all the theories, what the B and CSPO do. We will help you prepare it for your interview. We will help you prepare your job role profile. And then you can take the certification if you want. But my recommended would be first do the course, understand the role, Go give some interviews. Once you crack the interview, they will ask you for the certification. Then you go for the certification. This certification will hardly take 2 days. Or the weekend
Oh,
batch just for the within 2 days you'll get the certification.
so, and one last question: like, is there an expiry for CSPO certification also?
Yes, yes. These all certifications are made to earn the money. These certifications, Scrum Alliance is making good amount of money. This will expire again. You have to take the other course. And trust me, after some ages, after some experience, people won't ask you for the certification because they also know the struggle of the certification. So definitely. But recommended would be if you know your job role and profile, the certification won't be the key thing which won't get you the job. Yeah, but if you don't know your job role and profile, these things can hamper your job, but certification. So I recommend all my students. So last year, 50 plus students got placed in MNC. If you see my success stories, none of us done the CSP or CSM or PAP any certification. They actually know what the job role is. They actually know what has to be done, what comes to the table, and what needs to be delivered. On that basis, they are working. And trust me, they are really doing that. We are still in being touch. So even after taking the course after 1 month, I will be disappearing. No, we will be in contact touch. We will be talking. If you guys need any help or you need to build a more career, we can. So basically, I work as a mentor for them. So you don't have to worry.
Thank you.
Yes.